But what happens if you want to look at this a little bit differently? What happens if you don't like the bar graph? You want this to be a line graph. Well, we can do that relatively easily. So what we're going to do is click on the graph, Control C to copy it, or you can also do this through the right-click copy. And what we'll do is we'll come down here and we'll paste it underneath. Control V, or we can use the again the right-click paste. What we'll do first is click on the male green data, and we'll right-click, and then we'll go Change Series Chart Type. What this is going to do is bring all of the different options for us related to the graphs that we can choose. So knowing that this is time series trended data, we can use the line graph. Let's click on that. And what that's going to do is change the bar graph that we just did to a line graph. Let's do the exact same thing for the females. So we want to do right-click, change series chart type, and then click line. And as you can see, there we go. Now we have a comparison between males and females in a line graph format. You'll notice that our legend is a little bit messed up here, but we can fix that easily by just dragging that like that. So let's change the colors here and get this a little bit cleaner. So I'm going to right click on the red male line, and I'm going to go to Format Data Series, and I'm going to go to Line Color, then click on Solid Line, and let's use the same green that we had before here. So let's use that. Click on that, and that gives us the same green that we were using before for the males. Let's go to Line Style and get this line looking a little bit better. Let's change this to a 3-point. That just gives us a little bit of thickness to the line. Actually, maybe we do 3.5. Not 33.5. Maybe we do 3.5. Just gives us a little bit more thickness here. Let's smooth it out a little bit. What this is going to do is give it a little bit less of a chop to the line. So if I click Smooth Line, it's going to give it a little bit more rounded edges compared to what it is a little bit choppy there. So let's click OK and close it. I think we're good formatting that one. Let's go format our female line here, and we can go right-click Format Data Series, and let's go to the line color again, Solid Line, and let's use that same blue that we had before. Now going to the line style, let's use 3.5 point because that's what we're using for the male, and then we'll also do a smooth line. So what we've done here is we've created a line graph comparison between male and female for traffic tickets issued in New York City in 2013. It's just another way to look at the data. It's a little bit maybe cleaner in some cases and a little bit more of a trend analysis rather than a comparison analysis. So we've taken an existing graph and we've transformed it into a different type of graph that presents the data in a completely different way.